Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see speech on Constitution Day. Good morning everyone. Today we are celebrating Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas. This day is special because on 26 November 1949 India adopted its constitution, which is like a rule book for our country. The constitution written under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar teaches and freedom. It gives us rights such as the right to education and remind us to follow our duties like respecting others and helping our country. Let us all promise to follow the rules of our constitution and be good citizens of India. Thank you. Thank you watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.